Okay, so we're going to create a new animation. No, not a new animation, we're going to extend our animation. So at the moment, we've got a nice bouncing ball animation there. And what we want to do is, well, we want to start off, we're going to create a shadow to this ball, give it a bit more realism. So we're going to create a new layer. That's down here, new layer on the timeline. It's gone into the right position. I need to double click on the name and give it a more sensible name like shadow. Now you can drag these layers up and down. I actually do want that in the middle. So what we're going to do is to draw the shadow. I'm going to have it so that the ball is at the bottom of its cycle. Click on the oval tool. You might need to hold the mouse button down so we can get there. Make sure that the fill is empty, the line color is empty, and the fill color is a kind of light grey color. Okay, and then we're going to draw an oval at the base of this ball. Now, don't have to be completely precise, because what I'm going to do now is just move it so that the center of the shadow is more or less at the base of the ball. Okay, so that's perfect. And what I want to do actually with that is I also want to convert that shape to a graphic symbol, and we'll call it shadow, or gr_shadow. Okay, that's an important step because for it to tween correctly, you need it to do that. Okay, so now we're going to put keyframes in at the bottom of the ball's cycle, and then at the end as well. Insert keyframe. You can use F6 as a shortcut for that. And then at the beginning, what we're going to do is we're going to just scale that. I want it to be a little bit wider and a little bit taller. I'm actually going to, you can use the handles there, but it goes in a problem when I'm recording it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in values there. And we'll make that 27 high. And we'll just change that to 1, 2. So that's pretty good. Okay, and what I need to do now is to create a tween. Let's use a classic tween. And as I drag that back and forth, you can see okay, just tweaking that, but that should be pretty good. And then we need to create a tween on the other side. So far so good. If I just test that. Aha. What I need to do is I need to copy the keyframe from the first one, because that keyframe there is still small. So if I copy that frame and paste it in at the end, paste frame, that's right clicking. So now that's larger copy. So now if I hit Control Enter, it's not bad, but what we also need to do is to have the easing matching what we did with the ball. So if that eased -100, we'll have that one ease -100 as well, and on the other side ease out the other way. Let's see how that works now. So there we've got a shadow added to the ball. Not a bad little effect.